Hey everyone, welcome back to the Excel School. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful and useful Excel functions, XLOOKUP, which is available for Microsoft 365 users only. If you've ever used VLOOKUP, you already know how helpful it is for finding information. If you have not watched the VLOOKUP video, the link is in the description box. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my Excel tutorials. All right, let's get started. What is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is an advanced lookup function in Microsoft Excel that helps you find information in a table or range, just like VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, but much more powerful and flexible. XLOOKUP searches for a value in one column and returns a related value from another column, either to the right or to the left. Let's start with a simple example. Here I have a table of students with their marks in Test 1 and Test 2. We also have another table that contains their grades based on their student ID. Now I want to bring each student's grade into this main table using their student ID. Most of us would immediately think VLOOKUP. So let's start there. And it works. But there are a few problems. First, VLOOKUP can only look to the right of the lookup column. If your data changes or you insert new columns, your formula might break. It's also not great when you need to look to the left or when your data isn't sorted. Basically, it's useful but a bit limited. That's exactly where XLOOKUP comes in. XLOOKUP is like VLOOKUP's smarter, more flexible cousin. Let's try it on the same example. And just like that, we've got our grade. If I copy the formula down, Excel automatically looks up the right grade for each student. And if there's a student ID that doesn't exist, it neatly shows not found instead of throwing an error. That's much cleaner and professional, right? Now let's break down the formula to understand it clearly. Lookup value, what you're searching for. In our case, that's the student ID. Lookup array, where Excel should look for that ID. Return array, what to bring back, in our case, the grade. If not found, what to show if the ID isn't found, like not found. And that's it. As you can see, XLOOKUP is more powerful, cleaner, and safer to use. So next time you're about to type VLOOKUP, stop for a second and try XLOOKUP instead. It's faster, more flexible, and simply the modern way to look up data in Excel. This is Nawab from the Excel School, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and make Excel work for you.